Welcome back to my channel. I am Chandan Kumar Behera and you are watching English Blogs with Chandan. Friends, it is the time of sunset right now. You can see behind me here is a paddy field and here is a mountain also. You can see how the scenario looks like at the time of sunset. Friends, at the village, at the time of sunset, it is really a amazing scenario, and it is also at the time of sunrise also. So you can see how the nature looks like at the time of sunset. And here I am in a field of jackfruit farm. Here are some jackfruit plants which have planted in this shed net. Friends, you can hear some sound of birds which are chirping around these areas. At the time of sunset, it is really a amazing scene when the birds returning to their nests, when cows also returning to their sheds. Really, it's an amazing scenario at the time of sunsets. But the most important thing is you can get to see it in only village areas, not in town or city areas. So if you are in villages, so try to enjoy the nature's beauty at the time of sunset. Friend, here you can see some birds are returning to their nests right now, and some birds are also searching for their foods in the ground. It has been raining since 6 or 7 days in our areas, so I think they are searching for earthworms or any other insects. So they are on their way. I think it is a really amazing scene. Friends, you can see here are some jackfruit plants. Here are 23 jackfruit plants which have been planted by me, and some more will be planted in next few days. See a neem tree, and you can see the how the mountain looks like. Wow, the sky is also so amazing. Friends, here you can see that the moon has already come, and but it is I think four. It is I think 5 o'clock, afternoon 5 o'clock right now. So the winter starts from this month. It is the October right now, and the winter is coming. So you can see here are some kasatandi flowers which blooms in the time of winter, at the starting time of winter, and it is so I am also enjoying it every day at the time of sunset and at the time of sunrise. Friends, I would like to say you that we can get birds, most of birds in village areas, not in city areas. Uh, are Birds are the most, uh, we can say, birds are the most important creatures of the nature. So they have a vital role to clean the nature and to enhance the beauty of nature. So some birds are disappearing right now. So you can take example of crows. You can take example of parrots also. You can take example of so many birds that are already disappeared and some are disappearing right now. So I think it is happening due to the human activities. Once the nature, we have to conscious about that, how to make balance of it. So we have to. I think some birds are disappearing because of the inhuman activities. some are hunting them, and some are destroying their foods. So how can they live in this nature without food? So I think we have to take the vital role to save the birds at the in the nature. So will request from me to everyone to feed birds. uh, Here you can see the clouds are also amazing. Here friends, here is a one type of paddy field. It is a one type of hybrid variety, and it will arrive in next 2 months. It is it will arrive in next 1 or 2 months, and after that this patch of paddy fields will harvest, and after that here will some pulses will grown here, and that's the of at that's the scene at the time of sunset. I am also enjoying it, and I would request you to enjoy the nature's beauty when you can get to see. So here ends this vlogs. If you are not subscribed yet, then don't forget to subscribe also. We'll see you in next video. Till then, take care, enjoy your day. Thank you very much.